What's up guys, Java is a wild place and I'm about to meet up with my boys from ARAL CS who are going to take us and we're going to go catch and release some giant reptiles, which should be crazy. So let's go. So the reason why the pythons do need to get relocated back into their natural environment is because they are still dangerous and poisonous to the local community, which is why it's so important to go and relocate them. Imagine that you had one of these giant pythons get in touch with like a little kid or an adult. Bad things could happen, so that's why it's important to release them. The local community is kept happy and the pythons are kept safe as well. So the boys at ARAL CS did need our help in documenting this because they do most of this without a profit. So definitely show them some love and support. And we're gonna go over there to see exactly what it's like to catch and relocate a wild python. Let's go. So after wrestling with the python for a couple of hours, it absolutely would not budge. So we met up with the boys who got it the following day and we met up with them for the release into the wild. Alright guys, so we are back with Santos and the crew. Was that the name of the...
ARAL CS Community Base Camp.
Oh, so that's the name of his community, and as you guys saw a couple of nights ago, they were able to get the python out of the truck, so we're just going back to relocate the python, and yeah, he actually ended up getting a call about a slow loris. Slow loris? Yeah, slow loris, which he's about to relocate to. So I'm excited to be here with him.
So heavy.
Wonder how heavy is. I guess the one in the car wasn't as big as we thought.
This is the heaviest snake I've ever felt in my life.
That's crazy, huh? And the slow loris and his little cubby, huh? Their animal rescue. The python is inside of the bag and ready to be located with the best team ever. Ew. So after going probably a few kilometers into the forest here, Santos and the boys found a good spot to release the slow loris along with the python, so we're about to let them go. It's just pretty cool. So we're just trekking through the bush here.
Oh, careful.
Yeah, super stoked about this experience. So we left for a forest near Subang that was supposed to have enough fruits and food for the slow loris and the python to eat, so we could go and relocate them safely and they wouldn't come in danger with the local community again. Where are you going? It was so beautiful seeing them running off into their natural environment. Woo! Boom. High five. High five. That was insane, but the boys from ARAL CS do need your support, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop a link for them in the description if you did want to go and subscribe to their account. That will go and support their channel, and in return they'll be able to catch, release, and rescue more exotic animals, which would be sick. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel for some dope travel content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.